and all the time. Thank you, Honorable Mureu, for giving me this chance. My apologies for coming in late. I'm a board of trustee in the Presbyterian University and I had a meeting. Lakini nikasema lazima nikuje. Todo kwa mwedo wa gutire ire. My girls, how are you? Are you keeping well? How are your teachers? And how are your parents? They are the best, eh? So let us appreciate our parents for taking us to school. Wazazi kwanza ni kuwashukuru sana kwa kuwaleta hawa wasichana shule. And I know tomorrow here we have the future governors, the future engineers, the future lawyers, future doctors. Sindio? So yangu yatakuwa machache kwa sababu tuga mumina ajo ya gamara. Na ndiramenya chief guest no gwetagwo ni gitio kinene ndaheo ni Mheshimiwa Mureu. So mine will be two. First to the parents. Let's take care of these young ones. Hawa kesho yao itakufanya wewe ingie ndege uende America onogorodo waro tani ugathie. So let us keep on encouraging them because we know they are tough times. The information they have is not what we had at our age, at their age now. And so I want to encourage you, hata kukiwa ni kugumu sana, let us take care of these girls. And to the girls, Jambo. Do you believe that you can become whatever you want to become? Do you believe in God? Do you believe in being a very disciplined girl? You see, I was in Mogori Girls, that's why I went to high school. And I went to the University of Nairobi. Okay? I have my first degree in education. So Kikiumana, Naezakuwa Mwalimu wa Kiswahili hapa. Sawa. And then immediately I did my second degree. I have a master's in communication. But before then, munanisikia vizuri? Do you want to know my first job? After Form 4, I was a house girl. Then immediately after, kuna watu wa drama hapa? Kuna watu wa drama club? I was in drama, I went to KBC, then I went and started acting also on TV. Munasikia hiyo maneno? Then within time, nikafanya second master's ya communication, but my first year I was employed by Kameme, nikakuwa mtu wa kutangaza. Umemerekia hii? Si mnajua hiyo? But through God's grace, I've done a second master's, and right now I am doing my PhD. So tell me, if I am a mother, right now I'm a mother of 3. My daughter is older than you. Ule wa pili ndio ako 16 years, and I have a boy. Sasa too bad, my boy is 8 years, so he's too young for you girls. Isn't it? But anyway, I have nephews, eh? Kwa hivyo mnaweza niona, you can become my in-law. Sindio? But why am I telling you my story? It doesn't matter where or how you have been brought up. It doesn't matter what you have now. Mimi sikuwa najua ile mafuta ya expensive, tulikuwa unajua Remis, eh? Sasa wale wasichana wengine wakipaka ile Yoranda, mimi nilikuwa natafuta Remis na naosha kale ka container naweka hapo ndani na kama wale wengine niko na Yolanda, but yangu ilikuwa Remis.